Hi everyone, welcome back to Gina's Food Court, where I make cooking so hilariously easy even an engineer could do it. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a recipe. Today, we're making Primavera stuffed chicken. This recipe is super simple, healthy, and delicious. So grab yourself some chicken and let's get cooking in this kitchen. Here's what you'll need to make this dish. You can also find the full recipe with ingredient amounts in the description below. First things first, we're going to want to cut our vegetables into slices that are roughly as long as the width of your chicken breasts. To cut the veggies, I'm going to use what I like to call the snap method. This is a very advanced method, so it may take some practice, but all you got to do is just beautiful. Now let's do our tomato, the zucchini, and finally, our onion. Oh geez. You know, sometimes this thing gets a little bit jammed. Does anybody have any WD-40? No? That's alright. I'm an engineer, I'll figure it out. There we go. Now we're gonna space out the chicken on a baking pan. Using a sharp-ass knife, cut horizontal slits in the chicken breasts, but make sure you don't cut all the way through. Now stuff each of the slits with one slice of pepper, tomato, zucchini, and onion. Now drizzle some olive oil over each of the chicken breasts, season them with salt and pepper, and sprinkle your mozzarella cheese on top. Cook those bad boys at 400 degrees for 25 minutes, or until the chicken is no longer pink in the middle and the cheese is starting to brown. While we wait, I'm gonna check up on my domestic chicken, see if she laid any eggs today. Look at that, what a good chicken. I've gotta ask though, why did you cross the road? Not gonna talk, huh? You sly mother clucker. Once the time is up, I'm gonna take the pan out of the oven with my bare hands. Then we're gonna garnish it with some parsley, and you're just about done.
Look at all those chickens!
Thank you all so much for watching this week's episode of Gina's Food Court. Subscribe for a new cooking video every Thursday. Okay, that's messed up. That is literally your cousin.